Hey, Artz, that's cool. What to do? So I'm trying this little experiment with my, fake bird, and I'm outside with the real birds. It's chilly, but I'm out here for a second anyway. All right, so this is my fake bird that I bought a few years ago, and then I'm listening to the real birds respond to the fake one, and hopefully you all can listen in and hear the birds responding. All right. You hear the birds? I hear them. Yeah, I hear you. The real ones, God's bird. Y'all hear it? Let me be quiet. Yeah. Hello, birds. Wow, y'all hear it? Praise God's holy name. You hear the real animal, the real bird? Yes, they responded one more time, y'all. Yes. Yes, one more time. Come on, talk to me. Y'all sound beautiful. Nothing like the real thing, baby. That's my fake one. Watch, listening to the real ones respond, y'all. Ooh, it's cold out here. All right. Thank you all so much for listening in, rocking with me, and watching Artz and Laughs. Have a blessed one. Hope all is well.